the folks. Snoop Doggy Doggy like the Dre is at the door. Ready to make an entrance, so back on up. Cause you know we're about to rip shit up. Give me the microphone first so I can bust like a bubble. Compton and Long Beach together, man, you know you in trouble. Ain't nothing but a G-Bang, baby. Too low down, niggas so we're crazy. Death Row is the label that pays back. Unbreakable, so please don't try to fake this. But back to the lecture at hand. Perfection is perfected, so my land of understanding. From a young G's perspective. And before we dig on a bitch, I have to find a contraceptive. You never know, she could be earning her man and learning her man. And at the same time, burning her man. Now you know I ain't with this shit pretend. Ain't no pussy good enough to get burned while I'm offended. And that's realer than real deal homie feel.
Go there.
Now you hookers and hoes know how I feel. The lip is good enough to get rolled up on top of the chip. I take a small piece of some of that funky stuff.